Alright, today's the big day. I finally got the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. And yes, this tiny thing is going to be my new camera for filming off-roading adventures with the Bronco. Let's open it up and see what the magic DJI packed inside before it gets completely covered in mud. Here's the front of the box. Sleek, minimal, very DJI. Flip it around and you'll find the specs that makes tech lovers smile. 1-inch sensor, 4K 120fps, 10-bit D-Log-M, and waterproof up to 18 meters. Let's see what's inside. Inside we have got the camera body, 3 batteries, then battery case, an extension rod, locking screws, 2, protective frame, curved adhesive base, adapter mount, then an small adapter mount, then Type-C USB-C power delivery cable. Inside the box are 2 smaller boxes, one marked Osmo Action Can 5 Pro and one marked accessories. We will start with the camera box because that's the fun part. Before that, let's take out all the items in the box. The accessories box and the extension rod, I think. Now let's move to the camera box. Let's see what's inside. First thing inside, the camera protective case, nicely wrapped. Under that, the Action Pro camera itself, small, tough, surprisingly very heavy for its size. Here's a closer look. The body feels solid, metal finish, nice grip texture, front screen, rear screen, microphones everywhere. This little guy is more tech back than my first computer. On the top, power button, side for record, nice and clicky. Now let's open the protective case. It's a bit hard to open. Feels something else is inside. Oh, I think the adhesive mount. Yeah, that's definitely it. It's for attaching it to your truck or your car. Now yeah, let's see the clicking mechanism for this camera case. Now just slide the camera inside, click it, and that's it. It's protected. It's basically like a seat belt for camera. No matter how many times the Bronco bounces, this won't budge. I forgot to mention the front and back touchscreens, both OLED. Looks nice, right? Both are touch. Now let's grab that adhesive adapter. You can go into your truck, car. I feel like it could survive at least a hurricane or maybe a trail day. Let's see. Looks how snugly it fits. It's too tight. Oh man, it's too hard to open all these covers. I had a little bit of trouble figuring it out, but finally I did. As you can see, this goes in there, then put the screws, put it on the camera. That's it. It is tough, definitely. Now let's go to the accessories box. It contains some more adapters, a PD adapter, the battery box, Yeah, in instructions. A sticker too. My daughter won't cry, I think. Let's open up the battery box. The box itself doubles as a charging hub with USB-C port on the side. 3 batteries inside. The charging port. The power delivery cable goes there. Yeah, now the extension rod. Super lightweight. Extends pretty far, I think. Around 1 meter. Perfect for mounting outside Bronco. I don't know whether my wife would give it to me or she would prefer taking selfies. But I would miss the cinematic and definitely get stack shots. Now let's put the camera back in the protector case again. Look how snugly it fits. It's pretty smooth if you ask me, and the locking mechanism is pretty good. Looks awesome, right? At least my eyes say so. Now, let's see. One side there's a USB port and the other side the battery latch. Now you have to pull it down. It's a bit hard. But yeah, here you can see it. Yeah, I forgot to mention. You can also make it work without a battery. Just connect the charging port. Now for the battery goes inside there, and there's a small port for micro SD card. You can see it, up to 1 TB it supports. I am going to take a battery and let's see. Yeah, that's where the micro SD card goes. Now put in the battery, close it. I think we are ready to go. Oh, yeah, that's the power button. Turned on. Now I'm going to skip it. It's asking me to set up or register the camera. Going to skip it now, for now. It's asking me to set the date and time now. Yeah, I forgot what date it is. Time I had to look into my this one. Stove, I think. That's it. Ready to start. Oh, I kept it upside down. Yeah, here's the button. I'm going to start the recording. Look how smooth, fast and bright the interface is. You can switch between modes: video, photo, slow motion, time-lapse and pro mode. I'm impressed. It's mile ahead of other action cameras, especially GoPro, almost twice the battery power life. 2 versus 4 hours, I think. Yeah, let's play a recording what we took earlier. Look how smooth it is. And yeah, it got voice also. I have cut all the noise from this one. My daughter was playing earlier behind, so I wanted to get rid of that noise. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm still learning. Yeah, that's me. And that's a complete unboxing of our DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Camera, 3 batteries, charging hub, mounts, case, extension rod, and 1 cable. Next stop, strapping this onto the Bronco and finding out if the footage looks as good as scratches I will get making it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for after test.